Hello everyone, this is Monica. I'm the CEO of Network Solutions. Now I'm going to deal with the project of Cloudweek Network Providers. Let us see the overview of this project. When we will go to the introduction, the customary managed multicast conventions can be ascribed into two main categories. However, due to constant movement as well as frequent network joining and leaving from the individual nodes, it is very difficult to maintain the tree structure using these conventional tree-based protocols. For example, FGMP, Core Assisted Mesh Protocol, ODMR, these are proposed to enhance the robustness with the use of redundant paths between the source and the destination pairs. The cross-section based conventions are proposed to upgrade the hardiness with the utilization of excess ways between the source and the destination sets. Ordinary multicast conventions for the most part don't have great adaptability because of the overhead brought about for course looking, gathering participation, administration. Now let us know what is meant by the ad hoc networks. The conventional multicast protocols generally do not have good scalability. For managed unicast routing, geographic routing, protocols have been proposed in recent years for more scalable and robust packet transmissions. A straightforward way to extend the geography-based transmission from unicast to multicast is to put the addresses and positions of all the members into the packet header. When we go to the project overview, and the main purpose of this overview is when the conventional multicast protocols generally do not have good scalability. For managed unicast routing, the existing geography routing protocols generally assume mobile nodes for are aware of their own positions through certain positioning systems, and a source can obtain the destination position through some type of location services. Now let us know what are the operators need for this project. Those are the Windows XP Professional, Java, Spring JFC, J2ME, and the Eclipse 3.3, and the Pentium processor 4 of the data of 2.4 GHz. While we go into the testing of these ad hoc networks, there are different types of testings. Let us see the testings. When we go to the framework testing guarantees that the whole coordinate programming framework. It meets necessities. It is a setup to guarantee known and unsurprising results. The purpose of the testing is to discover errors. Testing, what is meant by testing? Testing is a process of trying to discover every conceivable fault or weakness in the work product. It provides a way to check the functionality of components. Software system meets its requirements and user expectations and does not fail in an unacceptable manner. While we're going to the various types of tests, each type of test addresses a specific testing requirement. While we're going to the white box testing is in which the software tester has knowledge of the inner workings, structure, and language of the software, or at least its purpose. While we're going to the discovery testing will be trying to the product with no learning of the internal workings. Structure or dialect of the module being tried. Discovery test has most of the different sorts of tests, must be composed from a conclusive source record. For example, particular or necessities report. For example, determination or prerequisites achieved. While we're going to the unit testing is usually conducted as a part of a combined code and unit test phase of the software lifecycle, although it is not uncommon for coding and unit testing to be conducted as two distinct phases. Test strategy and approach. Field testing will be performed manually and functional test will be written in detail. While we're going to the objectives of this test, the main things are all field entries must work properly. Second thing, pages must be activated from the identified link. Third one, the entry screen, messages and responses must be delayed. And the features that are required to be tested are Verify that the entries are of the correct format. No duplicate entries should be allowed. All the links should take the user to the correct page. While we go into the programming mix testing, it is the incremental reconciliation testing of two or more coordinating programming parts of a solitary stage to deliver disappointments created by interface imperfections. Testing is a discriminating period of any task, and it requires critical investment by the end of the client. It additionally guarantees that the framework meets the utilitarian prerequisites. It does as such with bundles of programming parts that gives an extensive variety of usefulness. And we have a lot of testings like integration, acceptance testing. These integration testing is the incremental integration testing of two or more integrated software components. The result of these testings, all the test cases mentioned above, all will be successful. No defects are encountered in this type of testings. And the next thing is acceptance testing. User acceptance testing is a critical phase of any project. And the result of this project is also successful. And the main thing is the stakeholders which are participated in this project to make successful are these are the members which are the colleagues of this project with me who works as a who I'm working as a project manager of this project, and the remaining are worked as a stakeholders in this project. And while I'm concluding this project, there is an expanding interest and a major test to outline more versatile and dependable multicast convention more than a dynamic impropriety system that is managed. The adaptability of EasyMP is accomplished through a two-level virtual zone-based structure, which exploits the geometric data to enormously streamline the zone administration and parcel sending. The position data is utilized as a part of the convention to guide the zone structure, building, multicast tree development, support, and multicast bundle sending. Our results indicate the geometric information can be used to more efficiently construct and maintain multicast structure and to achieve more scalable and reliable multicast transmissions in the presence of the constant topology change of MANET. We make a quantitative examinations on the control overhead of the proposed EasyMP convention. Let me know, do everyone have any questions? I hope you understand this project, and if any questions, let me know. Okay, thank you.